Positive thinking in a negative world. Cultivating a winning mindset. Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to our hearts. Positive thinking in a negative world, cultivating a winning mindset. I'm your host, and I'm thrilled to embark on this journey of positivity with you. Setting the scene. In a world that can sometimes feel like it's filled with challenges and negativity, it's crucial to understand the power of positive thinking. Today, we're going to explore how cultivating a winning mindset can be a game changer in navigating the ups and downs of life. So, grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's start transforming our perspectives together. The power of positive thinking. Positive thinking isn't just a cliché, it's a science-backed approach to life. Studies have shown that maintaining a positive mindset can improve mental health, boost resilience, and even enhance physical well-being. So why not embrace it and let it lead us to success? Overcoming challenges. We all face challenges, big and small. But here's the secret. It's not about the challenges themselves, but how we perceive and tackle them. Positive thinking doesn't deny the existence of problems. Instead, it equips us with the mindset to find solutions and grow stronger through adversity. Practical tips for cultivating positivity. Let's get practical. Cultivating a winning mindset involves daily habits and conscious efforts. Start by incorporating gratitude into your routine. Surround yourself with uplifting people and focus on what you can control. Small changes can lead to a significant shift in your perspective. Here are some real-life successful persons. Thank you for joining us on this journey of positive thinking in a negative world. Remember, your mind is a powerful tool, and by cultivating a winning mindset, you can truly create the life you desire. If you enjoyed today's video, share it with someone who could use a dose of positivity. Until next time, keep those thoughts positive and those vibes high.